Hello, I'm Robert and welcome to my channel, where I discuss everything automated algorithmic trading, or simply algo trading. I haven't had a chance to put out the short videos that I normally do for Euro USD because the market has just been so unpredictable for the last couple of days. I wanted to collect more information. So I'm going to be making this longer video going through market analysis, describing what I think is going to happen from what is happening. So far, this week is in a bullish state. It's been a pretty significant tug of war between the bulls and the bears, as we can see from the order book itself. I have marked support and resistance levels from the order book on the chart based upon frequency counting and volume, meaning where has price touched and where has price not touched within the order book itself. What you are looking at is the range that clearly shows where price has been. And that is important when you're looking for take profits and stop losses. Price has been here quite extensively. Price has not touched here above the yellow line or below the yellow line for at least 2 weeks. So with this information, the last 2 weeks, price has been strictly within this area. Well, I should say for at least the last 2 weeks. As we can see from the chart though, it has actually been closer to a month that price has been within this very consistent range. We are at the bottom of the range, which means price could drop below it, but I really don't see that happening given the amount of pressure in the order book itself. Now we are looking on the weekly chart, so we are going to be testing that with the daily chart as well to see if that holds true. So now from the daily chart we can see both the bullish activity at the beginning of the week and then the bearish activity for this current session. And we can see where price has touched multiple times and where the order book itself has the volume of orders being placed. We can see that price has not yet broken this level down here. And I really don't think there is enough pressure yet to suggest or support that it will break below that level. If it does, I think it will test the 1.068 range, and I think then we will have a better idea whether or not price is going to move lower or bounce in the upward direction. At this point though, I believe the Euro USD is going to gain value. As you can see up in this region, we have realistically a higher level of confluence within the order book that suggests that we will indeed have some upward movement. I don't expect the bears and the bulls to give up their tug of war that easily. And we can see from the bullish wick on this candle that even though the bears hold the market right now, the bulls are actively trying to fight back and push the price higher. I think ultimately at this point, with the way the order book looks, they are going to succeed and price will climb higher. I think price could equally go up to this level here, as it makes a realistic point based upon where all of the volume of orders exist currently. This is where price has been previously multiple times, so it suggests that price will return to this area as well which makes it an ideal place for a take profit. Also down here, this is where price has not been for quite a while, so it's an ideal place to put your stop loss if you use one, or if you're just using an accumulation approach with optimistic selling, then you can use the strengths of the order book to determine the ideal locations when to pick up your next position. So at least for the next few days, most likely the rest of the week, we are either going to range based upon what we see with this particular section of the order book, or we are going to climb higher into this area of the order book. Let me know if you have any questions, and please share your thoughts. What do you think of the current market, and how do you think it will go? Please give this video a like, as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time.